subscribe to Kikalik and share. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime.
And before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press notification and make sure to give us a big thumbs up.
Okay, step 1, we need an empty bowl.
And something to stir with.
Step 2, use any kind of glue. We're going to be using glue in the dark. Actually, yeah, okay. Okay, let's add that in. Okay, make sure don't add that much, but if you guys want to, it's fine. Can you help me squeeze this metal? Can you squeeze it? Okay, not all of it though, because we might be needing this. Okay, that's good. That's good properly.
So probably like this much glue.
That's much glue. And second, we are going to be using some
Lotion.
lotion. This is step 3. Okay.
1 squirt.
Let's mix that up. Here, I'll take over. And you.
Now, if you have sparkles, we can add sparkles in. So let's add
Some green. Blue. Green. Let's use some green. Put it in a little bit.
Doesn't matter how much, just do like 2 taps.
Yeah. Mix up that.
And now we are going to add
Some baking soda.
No. We're going to add some perfume.
It's gonna work, you guys. So make it better. 1 squirt, done. Okay, now let's just stir that up. Okay.
Okay, now we're going to add...
But if you guys want to add that perfume, it does make it a little better.
Yeah, you don't need to add perfume, but we did. So we have some baking soda you're going to add. And we are going to add...
Not all the way to the top, you guys.
We're going to add that much, if you guys can see.
No, not that much.
But it's going to be like halfway.
Halfway, cause
So-
it makes it a little bit better.
So let's do it halfway.
Oh, way better. Yeah. You guys, we're going to be doing it. Not all the way to the top, because it does make it bad. So it's going to dust them off and then done.
And then
Get that much bacon in it. It's only a little bit, you guys.
We didn't add all of it. We only
No.
added like...
Now let's go and add some bacon soda. No.
No, not yet. We need to measure. We are going to measure up to... We're still going to use this one we used for baking soda.
Yeah.
We do it halfway.
Halfway, you guys. Not all the way. Square it in.
Okay, done.
And that's enough.
And you just do 2 taps. 1, 2.
But if you guys need to
Three.
make 3
We're
times.
doing 3. 1, 2, 3.
So
And
then
now you
let's
can
do-
use the extra, and you can just put it right there. And then after you can just put it in the sink.
Stir that up. Okay.
And make sure when you're making slime, make sure to roll up your sleeves if you have long sleeves.
Yeah.
Then you don't get it all over your clothes.
Okay. It's almost ready, you guys.
Do we need a little bit more?
Yeah. We can add a little bit more. There we go. Only 1 drop. You guys. Some more. And let's stir that up and then feel it. That's all ready. Now
Just mix it with your hands right now. It's not like
it's
all
not all the way
there.
ready. So this
Just mix it with your hands right now, and then.
okay. So it's gonna mix it.
So you can just put the fork by this.
No, move your hands. I just put my hands in
I
here.
know. Look at that. Well, it's not activated yet.
Yeah.
We still need to like. And if it's not getting off your hands, you can
This-
rub it over a sink, and it will come off. We're just getting it like activated
Yeah.
for hands.
Leave it for a little bit.
And it's not ready yet. It's all like sticky right now.
Yeah.
Like, I was activating 1 ball right now, and look how good it is.
Okay. Just gonna keep on stirring that up.
Keep on doing this. And I'm gonna grab the extra from in the bowl to add to my
And then
piece.
look how good it turns, you guys.
And this is glow in the dark, so it glows in the dark.
Yeah.
And
You guys a lot of ads in my books if you guys like.
but why not? That's it for the video today.
Okay, bye.
This is good slime. I'm like, oh, this is good slime.
Bye, you guys.